Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, your device ran into a problem and needs to be restart in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 to enable safe mode. Type Event Viewer in Windows search bar, click Event Viewer. Click and expand Windows Logs, click System. Find which device driver having error. If network adapter having error, right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Driver tab. Click Rollback Driver if available, if not available click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type WMIC space, Recover OS space, set space, auto reboot equal to false. Exit and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.